Hello guys, welcome to this video, and today we're playing some hide and seek with the cat. Let's just get this game started. Okay guys, so we're gonna be picking our skin. I played this game before, so I have like lots of skins. I think I know that. Let's play Eeny Milo. Let's see which we land on. With only these ones that we have, like not the other ones. Yeah, with only this whole box. Okay, one. And I mean, no. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch up, yeah, please go. If you hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. We got students. It's only one student. Okay, guys. Let's start. Okay. Oh no. What? Whoa, are you pouring on me? Oh. So actually, the cat hits a laser. Girl, do you want to show your insides, girl? Sorry, I started the game without you guys. Again? Seriously, again? Bro, my birthday was at literally, like,
2 December.
My birthday was on November 28th. Wow, that's amazing. That's super special then. Wow. Wait. Where do I go? Wait, what? Stupid me. Always saying what's all the time. Oh my goodness, that is so cool. Oh my goodness, this must be the coolest game I've played in a while. Wow, so cool. Like, come on. Okay, this is gonna take
a million times.
I'm gonna pause the game. No. We did, so I'm not. Okay, whatever. Okay, now, let me pause because there's an ad. The mouse thing, I pressed that, then I don't know what happened. Okay, let's press the skins again. Now we're gonna do with a different character. Oh my god, I have so much non-picked characters. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch up, yeah, place, go. If you hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Oh, we got the warrior. Oh, we're gonna be a warrior. Whoa. What is this? Wait, what? Wait. I didn't know you could pick your glasses. What should we pick? Whoa. Should we do the mustache? Okay, let's do Eeny, meeny, miny, mo again. With both of these. Yeah. Eeny,
Meeny, miny, mo. Catch up, be a pass. Pass. No.
Bro, that's us. Catch up, yeah, pice. So if you hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. That is so funny. Okay, I guess that's it. Now, oh, that's so cute. I love the chick. But we have to see if we get it. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch up, yeah, pice. If you hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. That's the soft hat. Ooh. Now what is here? You can pick your own pet. The squirrel? No. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch up. Oh my god, there's a cheetah. Catch up. Lion King? Where was I? Whatever. If you hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. We got the sad Lion King now. Okay, let's start. Okay, yeah. Let's go. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video here because I don't think that's right. So, bye.